It takes everything we have to face it. Without a sound, we take a step. Inside our hearts are racing. If it takes forever, we'll get there together. I'm winding along this road.
Magandang halimbawa kung paano ninyo mamahalin ang isa't isa, kung paano nyo itataguyod ang inyong pag-iisip.
Ready for anything, watching the clouds go by. In our time, we'll learn to fly. No matter what life brings, if it's you and me, we're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. So as we run into the sun, sometimes I know we're gonna fall down. Hold my hand and we'll get up. I know we're gonna make it somehow. If it takes forever, we'll get there together.
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na magsasubmit ako sa'yo sa lahat ng bagay at mamahalin kita ng buong buo. Hindi kita iiwan. Andito lang ako para sa'yo at papatabayin kita ng bonggang-bongga.
If it's you and me, we're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything.
Shen, mahal. Ito na tayo. Sabi nga nila yan na, mapapakasal ka na rin. May pangako ko sa'yo, yung buong pagmamahal ko ay sa'yo lang.